My friends, welcome back to Hornby Productions. I know we reviewed Tornado last time, but as I said earlier, we would be doing a speed test with a Mark II. So I'm gonna do Tornado, doing a speed test today. So we're just gonna stop at our normal platform, what we normally do. But let's get moving. Let's see if the whistle works first. It does work. Right, cylinders on. Right, let's get Tornado moving. And off we go. Our speed test is about to begin. Let's see if we try to get up to 150 miles per hour. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's see if the whistle works again. Yeah, last time I reviewed Tornado, the whistle was broken. But we're not doing a review on Tornado, we're actually doing a speed test. And we're almost already up to 50 miles an hour. Back on the 14th of June, I went to the LazyJet fan meetup. I want to tell you the story when I met LazyJet, also known as Oliver Smith-Myatt. So originally, when I was planning to get the Hornby 1-to-1 collection bitten, to get it in easily AC models, which they didn't do. And then when I was looking before I was passing through the counter, and then I saw LazyJet, and then I bumped into him, and then we were talking to him about models and realistic locos. Yes. So he said to me, my mum and my brother, he said that we would do a fan meetup on the 14th of June at the Bluebell Railway. And then on his live stream, he gave me and my brother a shout out. So thank you, LazyJet. Thanks for giving me a shout out for me and my brother on your live stream on Train Sim 5 at the West Somerset Railway, the Class 101. And when I went to the Midlands Railway Spring Steam Gala in 2025 with my dad, I bumped into LazyJet again. And then he put me and my brother in the video. And then I was showing him some models on my phone. And yeah. And then when Oliver was with me and my brother, and when the T3 from Swains Railway stopped at the station, we met that real machine guy. Of course, go to subscribe that real machine guy. He does amazing train spotting. So subscribe to that real machine guy and subscribe to LazyJet or Mr. Oliver, because that's LazyJet's second channel through Mr. Oliver. Yeah, but back to the locomotive of Tornado. We're up to 80 miles per hour already. Let's see if we can try and beat Mallard's record. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, let's just do the side shot real quick. Let's do the whistle. Oh, let's do the whistle again. I like that too. I did at the end. And we're already up, and we're almost up to 83 miles per hour. Yeah, let's just put the regulator down because we are losing a lot of PSI. We're up to 84 miles per hour. So as I said, this is a speed test what we're doing. What? Oh, no. Oh! Oh! You guys saw that. Tornado almost crashed. Because I was going way too fast. Because I was stuck on 84 miles per hour. And then for some reason, Tornado went like this. And then Tornado almost tilted off the track. And then she went like this and that. And then she just continued. Oh, God. That was ridiculous. Wait. Oh dear, we're slowing down. Come on, let's speed up. There. We don't want to slow down. We want to speed up, because that's what we want. We're almost going up to 85 miles per hour. As you guys can see. 85 miles per hour. On Tornado. Oh God, why is my finger going in the way? Tornado. So, as I said back in my last review on Tornado, yeah. It's going to the Bluebell Railway in October. I would go to the Bluebell Railway and see Tornado at the Bluebell Railway. Because it's at the Giants of Steam Gala. Yeah, it's at the Steam Gala at the Bluebell Railway. So guys, if you want to see Tornado at the Bluebell Railway in October, she's going to be there on the 17th and 18th and 19th of October. Wait, why did we go back to 84 miles per hour? And we're back on 85. Or 85.8. 85. Come on. 86 miles per hour. Okay, I'm sorry, I just want to do one more side shot. That looks amazing, that does. Oh, we're going uphill, that's why we're slowing down. Let's just put the reverser on 0%, regulator on 0%, because we are coming up to our station now. And we're going into the station a bit too fast. I do like Tornado in BR Blue, but in my opinion, I think the Tornado in green is better. No, we're slowing down. Actually, let's just put it up. Oh, 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 tornado's about to tilt. Oh, so our top speed of tornado was, oh dear, 86 miles per hour, but that's disappointing. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. No, and don't forget, oh no, oh dear, we crashed. But don't forget, guys, click that like and subscribe button, and comments down below, and tell me if you want to do a speed test. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now. Well, I can't do the whistle because the game's over.